Sprout Sage, just stretch those arms a little. Sprout Sage leans the body to one side. Sprout Sage comes back to the middle. Sprout Sage leans to the other side. Sprout Sage returns to the middle. Sprout Sage breathes with the sway. Sprout Sage relaxes the shoulders. Sprout Sage lifts those hands a bit. Sprout Sage lets them settle. Sprout Sage waits a few seconds. Sprout Sage gives a small nod. Sprout Sage is ready for bed. Good night, little sprouts.